Welcome to Qntrl. In this video, we will learn to use the different types of lookup fields in Qntrl that can help you use cards more easily without navigating back and forth endlessly. What are lookup fields? Let's say in a purchase order card, you want to display the name of an item that has to be purchased. The name of all of the items available in the inventory can be fetched from another data source to make your job easier. Lookup fields can pull data from any sources, be it fields in other cards, tables, APIs via webhooks, or databases via query responses and display it in Qntrl. Qntrl provides 4 types of lookups: field lookup, API lookup, table lookup, and database lookup. Field lookup allows you to obtain data from field values of other cards in the organization. For example, if you want to collect the item name from the item details card while you send an invoice to the client, you can drag and drop field lookup from the new fields tray, select the form as item details, and select the field as item name. Display type allows you to view the lookup values in a drop-down or a multi-select format. In the card details page, the card field now retrieves the item names from the other cards and displays them here for you to choose from. Table lookup. Here, you can fetch data from the existing tables in your organization. Drag and drop table lookup from the new fields tray. For example, if you want to fetch the email address of a vendor, you can select the table and the column of that table from which you want to retrieve data from. Select the display type to view the lookup fields as drop-down or multi-select. In the card details page, the card field now retrieves the vendor email addresses from the selected table and displays them here for you to choose from. Database lookup. This type of lookup allows you to fetch the required data from any of your authorized remote databases. Drag and drop the database lookup from the new fields tray. For example, if you want to fetch the bug list from your company's database to create a card for each bug, establish a connection between your company's database and Qntrl by selecting a connector and a bridge. Once you establish a secure connection, use a query to retrieve only the bug list data from the database. Select the display type to view the lookup values as drop-down or multi-select. In the card details page, the card field now retrieves the list of bugs from the database and displays it here for you to choose from. API lookup. You can use this lookup to fetch data from a third-party website or application using APIs and display the retrieved data in a card field. Drag and drop API lookup from the new fields tray. For example, if you want to fetch the weather updates of a specific location in the world, select a webhook configured to get the weather response and click Apply. Once the response data is generated, provide a data path and click Check. The result data will be auto-populated. Select the display type to view the lookup values in a drop-down or multi-select format. In the card details page, the card field now retrieves the weather update of the selected location and displays it here. Build a strategic system of lookups and simplify the experience of creating cards without having to navigate between multiple applications. We hope this video was helpful. Visit the link in the description below